Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can set up pre-orders on Shopify. So there are two approaches for it. The first approach is that you can do the custom coding for it, and the second approach, which I personally prefer, is that use an app for this feature. And the app that I personally recommend is this Essential Pre-order and Pre-sale, and I will put the link of this app in the description. This is very easy to implement, and I personally have used this app, and it doesn't slow down, and it didn't slow down my store. So I'm happy with it, and that's the reason I'm recommending it and making a tutorial on it. And if you just see the price, this is a free app, so you don't have to worry about paying the monthly subscription. And the pre-sale is obviously recommended if you like want to capture the demand even when the items are out of stock, or you want to offer some pre-sale discount and something like this. So this is the app, and you can also see the icon so that you don't install any fake app. So what you have to do, the obviously the process is similar to all other app installation. You have to click on install, and this is a very quick tutorial. I will explain you how you can do it without any issues. And then you have to click on install, and as you can see, this app will show in front of us. So essentially pre-order, so something I really recommend, and this is how you can basically create. You have to create the campaign, and no other complexities involved within this app. So you have to click on create campaign, and then for example I want to add pre-order for pre-order like for July. So this is July. So pre-order when product is out of stock, and always show pre-order button. So pre-order only when only when the product is in stock. So I want to enable this option. This is the default option. Show pre-order when the product is out of stock. Limit inventory for pre-order. This you can also do this. For example, if you don't want to take like more than 1,000 orders for pre-order, you can do something like this. So I don't want to limit it for now, and the button text is pre-ordered. It is fine. Message ships as soon as possible. Ships as soon as the product gets available. As the product gets available. Okay. And then only versus Shopify payments. How much discount do you want to give? For example, if you pre-order, you get like 10% discount. Okay. And the pre-order, then the full payment, and you can also do the partial payment. But I won't recommend that you do because if you select the partial payments, obviously there will be some complexity with the customers obviously on the checkout, because it works with Shopify payments actually. So the customers pay a deposit, and then they uh, pay the remaining charge later on. So I would prefer the full payment in my case. Also, you can test it. I've just show you the option is available in this app. So you have to click on design. The by default settings is good because obviously it aligns with the theme and pre-order products. You have to add the products to this campaign. For example, if I want to add some specific products, so I don't want to add all the products. So for instance, I want to select uh, my favorite product, which is, I think this is a test product. This is a test product. I just want to be very secure while making the tutorial. Obviously, I don't want to indulge into complexities. I want to show the simplest method that you can do. So I click on add, and so this campaign is created, and I have added a product to this campaign. You can also add more products if you want. So add more products and remove all variants. You can also remove the variants if you want. So you have to click on publish. That's it. So no other complexity. This app is very straightforward to create, and as you can see, the campaign you can also create more than one campaign if you want. But the app is not activated. You have to click on activate, and it will take you to the theme customization, the protocol of the Shopify themes 2.0. You have to enable the app in the app embed. So it will open the theme customization, and you have to enable the essential pre-order app from here. And then you just have to click on save. That's it. The app will be enabled. And then once it is enabled, you have to make sure that you refresh the app just on a safe side. Activate. You have activated. Obviously, you have done this process. I've done it. and then the campaign is created successfully. And now, as you can see, this is pre-order. July is created. You can also create other campaigns. So let's see how this product is actually looking. So I just want to preview it from here. I think yes, I can preview it from here. And let's see how this product. So general settings, you can also just this if you want to enable the button on the featured products to quick buy or list, you can also manage it. I want it to be able to show it. Yes, it should be displayed on product list in featured products, and this should be displayed. Okay, so it should be saved. So let's see whether it is showing perfectly or not. So this is our test tool, and due to the testing, it is currently loading very slow because I have tested almost every app and code on this development store. So I won't recommend it doing it on the on your live store. I've done the testing, and as you can see, it is not showing. The pre-order button is not showing on the product page. The reason is simple, because this product has inventory. So what you have to do, you have to go to product, and to do the testing, you have to make the inventory. So to go the product out of stock, because other than that, obviously this is not going to work. This is the condition that the product should be out of stock, and then it will enable the pre-order. So this is very common sense, but uh, we will make sure that we do the testing correctly, just to make sure. If you find any errors, you should have an idea. So as you can see, so let me quickly just make one of the variants or all the variants to zero quantity, and then we'll see whether it works or not. So I paused the video and made the quantity zero, and then I refreshed it. But before that, I just go into the settings and noticed that I made an error. By accident, I made the discount 9%. So I will again make it 10%. Click on save, and let's see whether it works or not. So one thing, one quick hack I want to show you. If you don't see the latest update, if you just enable the app, you just save the settings. Obviously, there can be some cache error. So what you have to do, you have to just click on, for example, Alt, Shift, and R. So you just it will just uh, undo the cache settings. So I have refreshed it. It is also known as hard refresh in coding. So as you can see, the pre-order is enabled, and this is also pre-order. This is also pre-ordered. This is also pre-ordered, because all the variants are out of stock. I click on ships as soon as the product gets available. So you will click on pre-order, and then you get a 10% discount, size L, and note pre-order pay in full. So if we view the card, the it shows the product price correctly. So that's it. I hope the things are clear, and it works really fine. Also, you can enable as a setting. I just forgot to mention, and that was really important setting. The last thing of the video, I promise, because video is has been a little lengthier. So make sure to enable the to customize the pre-order confirmation email. You want to show customers in the email that they pre-order, so you have make sure to turn on. Okay, it's very important. So that's it. Thank you very much, and let me know if there is an issue.